Last Saturday, Modere, a 23-year-old company with over 3 million customers, they just shut down, gone, no warning, no recourse, entire teams lost, wiped out. And they are just the latest in a growing list. My old company, Univera, Zango, Vima, Beachbody, Rodan and Fields, they're all gone. And look, if that doesn't shake you up, it should, because if your business is built entirely inside someone else's platform, then you're building on quicksand. And the next time the tide shifts, you sink. And that is why we built the 21st century network marketer community, to give you ownership, to give you leverage, and a system that cannot be taken away from you. It's a lead generation engine that works while you sleep. So let me show you how it works. What most uplines teach, you wake up in the morning, you check your phone, nothing, no leads, no new leads, no responses, just haunting silence. You check your CRM, it's still empty. You're facing another day of chasing people who probably don't even want to hear from you. You've done everything that you were told to do. You made your 100 name list. You practiced your pitch. You attended all the meetings. You showed up. And it kind of feels like pushing a shopping cart with 3 broken wheels uphill in the rain. Now, let me have you imagine a different morning. You wake up, you roll over, you check your phone. 8 new subscribers. 3 requested the Perfect Prospect Workbook. 2 booked discovery calls, and 1 replied, "How do I work with you?" And you didn't cold message a single person. So instead of stress, you feel energized. The system is working even while you sleep. And by the way, this is not a fantasy. This is a strategy, and it's one that we have built and that is already working for people just like you. By the way, do you remember the story of the goose that laid the golden eggs? The farmer goes into the coop every morning and he gets 1 new golden egg. But, then he got greedy. He wanted all of the eggs all at once. So he kills the goose. And what did he get? He ends up getting nothing. And that sort of makes me think of the way most network marketers go about it. They chase individual prospects one at a time. They end up burning out. They've got no system. They've got no sustainability. Now, imagine building the goose. It's a digital engine that attracts leads day after day after day, while you sleep, while you're at dinner, while you're living your life. That is why we built the community, and that's what we teach in the community. We don't just show you how to automate. We help you understand the system so you can feed it, so that you can protect it, and let it actually produce for you consistently. And by the way, if you've ever said, "Oh, geez, I'm not tech savvy enough," or "I've tried this before and it didn't work for me," or "I don't have time to figure all this out," I get it. You're not alone. We've all been there. That is why we built the 21st century community. We give you the funnel, the nurture sequence, the tools, the team. It's already pre-built. It's there, it's proven, and it's all it needs is to be personalized for you to use it. You don't need to learn how to code. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need to plug in and start growing with confidence. So you don't have to chase anyone anymore. you don't have to gamble on companies pulling the rug out from underneath you. It is time to build something that works for you. So join the 21st Century Network Marketer community. We'll hand you the system. We'll walk you through it step by step, and we'll help you build your digital goose, one that lays golden leads every day. So tomorrow morning, you wake up with momentum, not with uncertainty. So click on the link, request your membership, and let's build something meaningful together. I want to thank you for subscribing to the channel and for liking this video. Bye for now.